Alright everybody, I'm behind the camera today, and as you can see, if my hands are right here, I'm not the one cooking the food today. That's right, I got my niece coming from Panama City. She said, Uncle Kenny, why don't you stop looking so pretty? No, that's not what she really said. She just said, Uncle Kenny, why don't you just go and take a rest, take a break, and let a real professional handle this. Now, Erica is my niece. She come from Panama City to help me out, to give me a few tips. And she been here all weekend, but I was ashamed. Matter of fact, this camera come out the house, so the lens haven't adjusted to the moisture yet. There we go. So she kept telling me to stop all that cooking and let a professional handle things. Well, that's what I'm doing. I got my niece Erica Lee here, and she's making arroz chaufa de marisco for everybody. She told me I was doing it wrong, and she said she gonna tell me show me how to do what's right. So we gonna go ahead and stop this video for a second. She gonna keep on cooking, and we gonna bring y'all back in a little while. But that's Miss Erica arroz chaufa de marisco, and she's got her certification, so she is licensed to operate in the state of Florida. So there won't be no shutting down here. Do that again. She said, thumbs up, baby. You can't get none.